To clear all cache and junk from Windows 11 and Windows 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Run. In Run, type PREFETH. Refetch. Then click on Enter and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, select one file, then click on Ctrl+E to select all the files. Then simply click on Delete and delete all the files. After you're done, simply open Recycle Bin. In here, select one file. Again, click on Ctrl+A to select all the files and completely delete it from here. And that's how to clear all cache and junk from Windows 11 and Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.